Hi everyone, welcome back to Geek Yorker. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix MacBook screen dims automatically on battery. So if your MacBook screen brightness keeps reducing automatically when you unplug the charger, then it is not actually a bug, it is a built-in feature that you have enabled from settings. So to stop this, you just need to click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen and from there click on System Settings. Now on the Settings application, click on Battery option in the left side panel and then on the right side panel, click on Options and now just turn off the toggle right to slightly dim the display on battery. And after disabling this, also make sure the low power mode is selected to never or at least it is not selected to only on battery. And then after checking these both things, go to display section and make sure to turn off the toggle right to automatically adjust brightness. So after checking all these things, your MacBook screen never dims automatically on battery. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to Geek Yorker. Also if you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.